Okay guys, in chapter 2 jQuery functions folder, I have your 9th file slideDown.html. In this boilerplate code, here I have the title slideDown method. In line number 5, I am loading jQuery library via this script_rc tag. And from line number 7 to line number 11, I have your document.ready function, which means when document is fully loaded inside browser, this ready function's callback function will get executed. So inside this file, I'm going to show you an example of slideDown, showing that how a DOM element can slide it down. So first of all, I'm going to have an input button having value or caption as slide down, and then after this button I'm gonna have a line break and then again a div with bunch of CSS inline CSS properties. So first CSS property I'm gonna assign this div is background color as green, as previous we have done the previous example, and then I'm going to assign this the font color as white, again width as 200 pixels and height as 200 pixels. Sorry guys, pixels. I'm going to maximize this window. Here inside this div I'm going to have some text. So this is div. Now what I want to show here is if somebody is clicking on this button, then this div will start sliding down. So how can we do this? Here inside this document.ready function, I'm gonna handle this input button. So first of all, I'm gonna assign this input button an ID like btn, and then using this ID I'm going to handle or select this button inside this document.ready function. So I'm going to pass here hash btn as an ID of the button. So selecting this button, I'm going to assign the click event handler function to this input button. Inside this click event handler function, I'm going to select this div via tag, and then call upon this div the slide down method. So once somebody is clicking on this button, this div will start sliding down. Okay, look, initially this div is already displaying over there. So first of all, we have to hide this div so that clicking on this button will start sliding down this div. So go inside your style tag of your div and provide another CSS property here, that is display is equal to none. This CSS property will simply hide the div initially. That's it. If I click this slide down button, the div will start sliding down. Here we are. Now one more thing here is we can parameterize this slide down method by transition speed parameter. I mean, if I pass here 2000, it means this slide down transition will happen in 2 seconds. Let's go and refresh this once again. Click on this slide button. Look, this slide down transition is happening in 2 seconds.